really what I do for Setpoint is really act as a chief technical officer for them, overseeing the design and engineering, and I report directly to Joe Cornwell. And in this role, really act as an oversight for not only is design meeting the creative intent, but it's also meeting the technical compliance, and that above all, the ride is going to be safe. The real key factors for ride design is it meets that creative intent, it complies with the technical requirements that customer has, it complies with both federal, state, and local codes where it's going to go. It's going to be extremely reliable for the technicians and operators that have to operate it for many years to come. At Setpoint, and for the industries in terms of design and engineering, there is zero margin for error. And that's just the way that it has to be. In order to accomplish that, we have to dot every I and cross every T throughout that design process, then in fabrication, then in install and setup, testing, and then commissioning. ASTM stands for American Society of Testing and Materials, and it's ASTM International. We currently have standards in over 41 countries. So we just celebrated our 40th year anniversary this last week. I was in New Orleans with about 370 other members. And ASTM is about creating the standards that everybody can use to have consistency and safety in the industry. So there are safety professionals from around the world. We have 41 different countries that are part of our membership that come together and help build these standards. The standards cover a wide variety of areas, including design, operations, inspection. But ASTM has also been asked to bring in other standards for new emerging technologies. One that we have a big effort going on since 2012 has been aerial adventure attractions, and that includes zipline adventure rides. And through an entire process, there is a huge effort to try and think of every possible hazard that could happen and prevent it by happening through all those different phases. This year we celebrated that 40-year anniversary. It was fantastic. We now have 1,006 members in ASTM F-24. There's a lot of people that know a lot about operating and building these types of systems. So our job is to write those standards so that there can be safety throughout the industry. People come to have a great time, to put their kids on the ride. Safety is the first priority, and that's just the way that it has to be.